Hello again, guys. Steve here, BS Slot Cars. I got another box. We're gonna have to unbox this beauty and see what's inside. Ooh, almost cut myself there. Alright. Ooh, we got some foam stuff. Foam stuff. Oh, there it is. Let me get rid of this stuff here. Here it is, guys. This is another AFX Aurora original G+. I already got one of these, but the guy I won some stuff off of gave me a good deal on it, so I got another one. This is a Ford rally car escort. And this one actually has the rear bumper, my other one didn't. That's what it looks like. Tarnished, rock hard tires. Body fits pretty good. Looks good inside. This one actually looks better than my other one, but it don't have a roof rack. I may be able to switch that. We'll see. May not. But here it is. Tarnished. Still feels good though. And my next video with this will be when it's ready to go with braid, flip magnets for the rotation for my track direction, and a filter cap and the flag guide mod so I could run it on my polycar track. But for now, we're gonna get this sucker oiled up, and then I'm gonna clean the comm, and then we'll see if we could actually get it to work, if it's a working car. Put a little on gears. And then I'll clean the shoes really quick because they're bad. That should be good enough. Alright, that should be good enough. Now I'm going to clean the commutator with the brush thing I have, like an eraser, and then we're going to try it on the track here, so stay tuned. That's up next. Alright, comm's cleaned up. Front tire was like plastic. I had it leaning on the table and it just cracked right off. Look at this. Anyhow, let's get to the track with this escort and see if she'll run. Pray to the slot car gods. Here goes nothing. Oh, this one's working. Sweet. These old G+s took a licking. They still keep on a-ticking. Alright, I'm going to have to break that in for longer, but I'm going to clean it up better and stuff. But the next time you see this car, guys, it'll have the braid on it, the flag guide mod, the rotated magnets, and new tires. And then we're going to hit the track. My polycar track is 59.4 foot. We're going to hit that. We're going to do 25 laps on the Arc Air unit and see what the fastest time I could get. So stay tuned. If you're new watching, subscribe so you don't miss that. You don't want to miss this old beauty ripping around the track. I like riding the HO cars on the polycar track. This one here. Because they work so good on it. And smooth. So you don't want to miss that. So subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And next time you see this bad boy, it'll be ripping up the plastic around the polycar track. hopefully we could get some nice times for this classic car. I gotta get front tires. Where to find them? Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time at the racetrack. BS Slot Cars.